Thank you, Peter. Ongoing construction of the Outer Ring Road here in Nairobi has visited commuters with mixed fortunes. While many are looking forward to better roads, the ongoing construction works is causing others sleepless nights. They are forced to find creative ways to cross the deep excavations to avoid mile-long detours. And when it rains, some are forced to part with some money for assistance up and down the steep gullies. Mark Namaso tells us their plight.
Nairobi's eastern zone is known for traffic jams of epic proportions. Those which even railway transport does little to ease. And now the construction of the Outer Ring Road to ease congestion has brought along its own set of challenges. Most residents living along the road opt to cross the excavated parts rather than make long detours. Martin Kamau, a resident of Dolholm area for 3 years now, is a man in agony.
Kuvuka saidi na kukuja saidi ni matatizo. Na unaona kama wakati kumenyesha, hiyo ndio ile shida kubwa sana. Kwa sababu unakuta mtu akitoka pande ile lazima atoe 10 afukishwe, akirudi pande ile afutwe. Kama ikifika jioni, congestion inakuwa kubwa.
Gender balance is tilted in favor of males as women look before they leap on their way across the ditches.
Wesi pita, tunalipiswa mbao kupita na hiyo mbao ni shinda. Wataki watu walipiswe mbao wabukishwe. Na tunaweza hata teremka hapa tubunjike mguu tukipita.
Kuvuka hapa tunalipa 10. Kutoka hapo huko chini kuvurutwa ni 10. Wengine wa mama na watoto wanabeba mzigo.
The 8.2 billion shilling Outer Ring Road is expected to cut down travel time from Thika Superhighway to the Southern Bypass from the current 2 to 3 hour journey to roughly 10 minutes, according to the Kenya Urban Roads Authority.
Part of Eastland, Kangundo, Ruai, Umoja, Komarok, Kariobangi also, unapata uchukuzi inakuwa ngumu. Why? Watu wanabebwa almost for 2 hours. Alafu fare inakuwa gali.
While the open excavated zone remains a danger to pedestrians, at night another peril prowls in the dark.
Labda mtu amechelewa saa 3 saa 4 hivi na gari saa hiyo huwa zimehama sababu hapa ni kwa giza. Napata gari zimeenda all the way paka pale Naivas juu. Mahali angalau kuna light watu wakuje hapo. So you find if you are here alone, it is very risky, watu wanapigwa ngeta.
All challenges notwithstanding, residents in this part of the city are hopeful that after completion, things will get better.
Imekuwa nazunguka nini matope, lakini wakishatengeneza hivyo naona itakuwa rahisi sana kwa sisi wenye tunatoka ng'ambo ile kuja ng'ambo iko nda kazini.
Until the construction of the Outer Ring Road is complete, life for many people going to work and heading back home will be something of a mountain climbing exercise. Mark Namaswa, KTN News.